Everyone, here a 3-minute bit breakdown of Leo text editor and how I use Python to create online script buttons that help me automate my daily topics. In this case, say we get a call, Mr. Black needs the IP configured, and they ask you, what is the IP, the hex value? Wouldn't it be cool if you could just say that you know the hex value? Using Python will help you achieve that task. I will give you the script that will allow you to do that. So head on over to Leo's editor and download it, install it. After that, go into my GitHub repository, LeoEditor. Here I have Python buttons. Here's the first one with many to come, because this is really cool. Go into the raw, cut and paste, copy and paste the button, go back into your editor. So to create a new button, insert it, IP, name it, give it a name, go ahead and copy it in there. So you got your Python script copied in. Let's go ahead and test it. In order to test it, highlight the button, create a script button. So there it is right there, it's ready to be used. Go into our, say, daily topic. We need to know the hex value of that IP. Go ahead and push the button, and there it is, just like that. So that's a quick video. On the right you see, basically I have that topic here in Anki. Anki is also a powerful tool. Here, the overview that we were talking about, color-coded, to help you understand how you go from an integer into a binary representation, and finally converting it over into hex using the power of 2 rules. You head on over to my YouTube STN Scotty channel, and if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. That was the first one, actually, of many to come. Actually, I got 2 here. It'll be the 3rd one. Okay, like I said, Leo's editor is really powerful. Check it out and see what you can see. Thank you. I appreciate your time and viewing of my video.